Hello everyone, welcome to 7 days challenge. 3 important words with a sentence to improve your English fluency and improve your vocabulary. Have you heard the words ecstatic, earnest and apology? If you haven't heard these words and how to use them in a sentence, please, after watching this episode, click on day 1 episode. I have given you the link in the description box and kindly watch it. Today is day 2 and I have brought to you 3 important words. 1. Oblivious. Oblivious. So, what is the meaning of the word oblivious? Not aware, ignorant, clueless. In Tamil to be said, மறந்துவிட்டது, தெரியல. Okay, so இதை எப்படி sentence use பண்றது? You can say, Patrick was completely oblivious of the complaint done about him in the office. உங்களுக்கு ஒரு விஷயம் தெரியல. I was not aware of it. அந்த மாதிரி aware அப்படின்னு word யூஸ் பண்றது பதிலா you can use oblivious. I was not oblivious about the matter. You can say. Okay? So the second word is eradicate. Eradicate. So this is the 4-syllable word and the meaning of it, remove, clean up something from its root, uproot, abolish. So these are the synonyms we can use for the word eradicate. தமிழ்ல ஒழிக்க, நிர்மூலமாக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல. So you can say the word in a sentence, the antibiotic medicine completely eradicates the disease. You can say this, the local minister's aim is to eradicate poverty in his ward. Okay, fine. The third word is ubiquitous. Ubiquitous. Have you heard about this word before? Ubiquitous? Though the word is not familiar, but the meaning is very familiar. It means common, omnipresent, found everywhere. எங்கே பார்த்தாலும் நீங்கள் பார்க்கலாம். எங்கும், எங்கேயும். So that is the word ubiquitous. Stop using everywhere always. It's ubiquitous. Let's use this in a sentence. Computers are becoming increasingly ubiquitous. So computers இப்பலாம் ரொம்ப common, ubiquitous, everywhere. எல்லாருமே வச்சிருக்கிற ஒரு ஐட்டமா போயிடுச்சு. Okay? So the second sentence is, the new chocolate company's advertisements are ubiquitous. It's common. It's not special. There is nothing special in that. So அதுதான் ubiquitous. Okay? So try making a sentence with these 3 words and write them in the comment section and let me know. What sentences will you try with these words today? So go ahead and use these words in multiple sentences today and I'll see you tomorrow with new words. Thank you.